Hey, I want to go ahead and apologize for the sound and also the way I got to do this screen grab, screen recording. It's mainly because I don't know much about the internal screen recorder that Windows have. I think it's mostly for gaming and stuff like that. I don't typically use this, and I don't normally make tutorials anymore. Also, I had to use the snippet tool in order to, capture a picture of my desktop. Mainly because when I was trying this before, the only thing it will record is this export page right here on Adobe, but it would not show this pop-up right here. So anyway, so I did it like this, and I thought I'd explain it like this. So I tried to find videos on this, and I couldn't find it. But the reason why it's just so easy and simple now. So, uh, and unless you actually know it on top of your head or end up figuring it out on your own, you won't know this. But anyhow, before when you make a preset for your render settings and everything, before you had to go into the files and grab it into the files. Like I think it was in Media Encoder or something like that. You had to go into presets and then grab those presets. Well, Adobe now makes it simple and easy to do. So after you make your preset and everything, you would click here. All right, a little tiny drop down menu will come up, and what you would do is go down to more presets. All right, and then make sure you're on all presets and find the one you want right there. And all you have to do is just go right here to export. Simple and easy. Save it to wherever you need to save it as, and you're pretty much done. And then when you have to use it again, let's say you redo your computer or you go to another computer, just click right here, and a little drop down menu will come down. It'll have import, and then import your settings there. Anyways, that's it for this video. And again, sorry for the sound and sorry for the poor man's screen grab or screen recording. Until next time, peace out and live long and prosper.